How to use Midjourney. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Midjourney. So first of all, we're going to go to the Midjourney website, which is midjourney.com. Now, once we're at the website, we're going to go down over here so I can show you what Midjourney really is. So when we come in about, we can see Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. In easier words, Midjourney is an AI that creates any type of image or graphic you would like, and it creates it in the greatest quality and colors ever. So, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go to join the beta. Now, once you go there, it's going to redirect you to a Discord link. Now, do not worry, it is 100% safe. Now, once you go over there, it's going to give you a sign in prompt. Now, you're going to sign in with your Discord. And once you do that, you're going to come here into the channel of Midjourney. Now, once you're in the channel of Midjourney, you're going to come here and you're going to see many rooms. Now, you're going to join the newbie rooms because, of course, you're going to be a newbie. Now, once you join the newbie room, over here you can see many people will already be creating amazing types of arts. As you can see, a person here has created Discord and anime, and it created an art that correlated to those two texts. As you can see, it creates it in the greatest quality ever. So now, we're going to scroll down and we're going to create our very own art. So for that, you're going to need to write slash, you're going to write imagine, you're going to click that and the prompt will open. Now, once the prompt opens, now you can write anything that you can imagine of that you want to create into a graphic or an image. So I'm going to write dragon, then I'm going to write cinematic lighting, and now I'm going to write realistic. Now I'm going to press enter and I'm going to wait for my art to be processed. Now, obviously, it's very graphical and it's very high quality. So it does not give you the art right away. It's going to take around 30 to 50 seconds. So we're going to wait. And while we wait, we're going to see all the other types of arts that people are creating. So as you can see, some have written for any type of thing. People can create anything. So, by the way, your text can go out of the screen boundary very easily as the Discord messages keep an algorithm so your message can go up very easily. Now, how you cannot lose track of your message is that your text will always be highlighted in orange. So, that is how you'll always keep track. Now, our graphic is almost done. It's at 87%, and once it's done, I will show you how you can download it and how you can play around with it. So let's wait for it to load up. Even right now, you can see how amazing it looks. It looks a lot like a dragon, even now, if it's not completed. And as we can see, our art has been created. And if we click on it, look at that. Look at how amazing it looks. I wrote dragon, cinematic lighting, and realistic, and look what it has given me. Absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to show you how you can download whatever you'd like. So obviously it gave you 4 images. Now, for example, you want one of these images. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, I want the second image. I like the second image a lot. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to write click on U2. Now, once I click on that, it's going to be highlighted as blue. Now, do not worry. Of course, right now, nothing is happening. You're going to be like, what did I just do? You're going to scroll down and look at that. It exported the image you wanted. So you're going to click on it. You're going to go click on open original and it's going to open the original right here. And over here, you can click on save image as and download it and use it for whatever purpose you'd like. And one other thing, as you can see, under these images, there is U1, U2, U3, U4. These are obviously the number of images or the type of image you want from these four. Now, what does the V stand for? I'm going to show you what the V stands for. Let me find my image. There it is. Okay, so now, for example, you want a different variation of the type of image. So obviously, the fourth one, let's take different variations of that. So we're going to click on V4, and we're going to wait for it to process. Now, once it's processed, you're going to go down and look at that. It gives you different variations of the fourth image. So now, let's go here. Look at that. It gives you 4 different variations of the fourth image that you clicked V4 on. So now, obviously, you must have gotten the hang of how you can use the Midjourney AI. Now, there is another thing that I still have to mention, you're going to go back on the Midjourney website, and over here, you're going to click on sign in. Now, once you click on sign in, it's going to ask to authorize your Discord account. You're going to authorize that, and you're going to come right here where you're going to see your Discord account, and you're going to go on Community Showcase. Over here, you can see the different types of arts the whole community, which uses Midjourney, uses. And you can see all these beautiful types of arts. You're gonna go and you're gonna click on those, and it's gonna give you the prompt. In the prompt, the description of what the person who created the art wrote in the prompt. So in case if you want to copy this graphic, you can, which is an amazing feature on the community showcase. And if you go on manage sub, you can see the different types of memberships as well. So first of all, there's the basic membership, which gives you limited use of up to 200 images a month, and it's around $10 per month. And then there's the standard membership, which gives you the unlimited personal use, and it is $30 per month. And that is basically how you can create your very own AI art with Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful to you.